Hello student, good mornings. Here today's class I will solve here the related linear equations of two variables. How to solve the linear equations in two variables. So, today here is that we will take the lot of example. With the help of example we will try to solve the linear equations in two variables. Suppose that we have to solve the x and y value of the x and y. Solve the value of x and y. How will you solve? Suppose that taking example x plus y is equal to 8. First equations. And the second equation is also 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is second equation. And the first equation and the second equation, with the help of the first equation and second equations, we will try here so that we will first what will we do? See here the two equations and the two variables given here. With the help of two variables x and y, and the second is also 2x and 3y. We have to do any one variable have to do the equals. Here is the two variables x and the y is here. But in the first equations we will see that x and the second variable is x contain 2x. So we have to either take the x or either take the y's in one times, and so we have to so first of all, we have to multiply or factorize any numbers, the same number, so that it becomes all the same, because we know that if we factorize with any numbers in any equations from the left to right, from left to right or right to left, in all with all variables with same digits, it will always be a same and no because it will be a common and no any effect have been done on the given equation. So here is the in second equation that we are taking as here is the 2x and 2x is given here, so we will write here, so multiply by 2 in equation number 2, sorry, equation number 1. So multiply here equation number 1, so we will write here 2x plus 2y is equal to 16. This is the equation number 1. And the second we will write as it is, the second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 1. This is the second equation. Equation number second, we will subtract. So right here subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So equation number 2 from equation number 1 subtracted, after success put here the sign of the subtractions. Here is the minus, and the minus change into the plus, and then again here in second equation, the right side of the equations, here is the first equation is 16 and second is the constant number is 1, so right here the minus, and the minus 2x and minus 2x, if we subtract it will cancel out, and the second 2y and minus 3y is given here, so we will take here the plus y. Here is remain 2y minus 3y is equal to plus y. So minus 16 minus 1 is always be of 15. So here is the y, the value of y is always be of 15. So we have to multiply, taking the equation, take the equation taking the equation number 1 and substitute the value of y in equation 1. Substitute the value of y in equations 1. We will substitute the value of y in equations 1, or either take the equation 2, any equations we can say. So x plus 15 is equal to 8. So x is equal to 15 minus 15 plus 8. So x is equal to minus 6. So this is the answer. Answer has come. Say x is equal to minus 7 and the y is equal to 15. We have done here is one equations have been solved by us, and so we are going to take another example. With the help of another example, we will try here and solve these equations with the help of another examples. There are more examples. If we solve any questions and any questions with the help of example one by one, and doing the practice day outs and per day in every moment of science, it will insert in our minds and it will give the positive effects. So that's it is my best advice for you to all students to do the practice per day, taking the all the numbers. Suppose here is the example, and we will take the example second. So example second is given here, x plus y is equal to 3 x plus y is equal to 3. This is the equation number 1, and the second equation is 4y minus 3 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. X minus 3y is equal to 26. This is the second equation. As we have done the equations from first, we have solved the equation first, so just like that. So we have to solve the equation second. Here is the second example. The first example I have given here, and we have solved it very accurately and well based. Second example is also I have given you so that you can better understand and understand all equations easily, so that it can be easily solve it and calculate it better ways and get the results in the right way. And never forget such types of the formula, such types of equations one by one. So here is the first example. As we had discussed in the previous equations, first x plus y is 3 is equal to 3, equation number 1, and 4x minus 3y is equal to 26, equation number. So first of all, we will suppose that we are taking not here as a x value, we are taking the y value. Here is the y value, y is 1, and 3y is given here is 3y. So multiply, right here, multiply in equation 1 by 3. For this one things we will write here 3 multiply x, 3x plus 3 multiply y, 3y is equal to 3, 3 ja 3 into 3 is equal to 9. We will write here equation number first, and secondly we will take here the write the second equation as it is 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. This is second equation. Now further we will subtract the equation, subtract the equation second from equation number 1. Subtract equation second from the equation number 1. We will subtract here, change the sign of below given equations, minus 4 it became plus, change into minus, minus change into plus, and here is the 26 is plus, so it will be converted into this minus. Now subtract it here is given. So subtraction is not required because it became both the plus and here is the minus. So it will not be detected and cannot be cancelled out because we have to cancel out one variable. So that is why we can calculate any number. So here we will write here instead of subtractions we will write here the adding both equation 1 and the second. Instead of subtractions we will add it, and with in case of adding we does not change the sign of any variable and the equations. So here is the plus, and the 4 plus 4 says 4 plus 3x is equal to 7x right here, and the 3x minus plus 3x minus 3x is always cancel out, and it will give you 26 plus 9 is always be 25. Here is the 26, sorry, 26 and 9 is always be 25. So we will 25, no, it's a 20, not a 20 something, no, 35. So it's a 35. So here is the 35, and say x minus x is equal to 35 upon 7. We will cancel out 35, 7 5s are 35. So x is minus 5. Substitute this value further. We will write here substitute the value of x, yes, x in equation equation number 1. Suppose that we have taken the equation number 1 and write the equation number 1, substitute and subtract the value of here. We will write here equation number 1. Suppose let's say we have right here, and suppose that here is the space, and in this space we will write the equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 3. So value of x is given here minus 5 plus y is equal to 3. So plus y is equal to 3 plus 5, then y is equal to 8. So value of x and y we have find here. So x plus y is we have got it. So this is the answer. X is stand for and y is stand for. So value of x is minus 5, and the y value here we have got it. Value of y is 3. Got it? So sorry 8. It's your answer. So we already understand that's how we will solve this given linear equations into variables given here. So if the two equations given in two conditions, we will use this method, and by means of this method we can cancel out any one variable, and with the help of the second one variables that will be a same variables containing, so we have to add and subtract. With the help of adding and subtractions we will solve it better ways. So this by means of this method, so we understand that how we will solve any types of equations given here. Given years, and here is I have given you two example, and there are many techniques and methods that you can use and to solve the equations. The conditions is applies for the all questions, and the conditions is telling the another ways, another method, use the another ways, another methods with the help of that. So by the means of the substitution methods, subtractions methods, elimination methods, there are different types of methods is also available here. With the help of that, so we can solve these related questions. So first of all, we have to understand that what does the question says, and on the basis of the questions it's asking some method and techniques we have to understand. Then further attempt the questions for their solutions and solve it one by one, step by step. So follow the algorithm process. This is my suggestions for you. Thank you very much for coming on my channel. Please do subscribe, share and the comments, likes on my videos, so, and some follow it on the Facebook, so that we can make some, I can make this more and more related videos to solve these types of the problem. Would learn you the skill, different skills available. With the help of these different skills, you will develop your skills and again gain grounds in your related examination. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming on my channel once again.